how to make your Facebook private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually make your Facebook account private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now before we get on to making our Facebook account private, while my Facebook app is actually updating in the background, I want to tell you one thing, and that is that you know that just like Instagram and TikTok, where with one single toggle and with one single switch you can switch your account between private to public, right? If you're talking about doing that on Facebook, that's not how it works. You can still make your account private on Facebook, but for that you have to customize each of the settings, such as who can send you friend requests, who can message you, who can see your friends, and so on. Because unlike TikTok and unlike the Instagram app, it's not just one toggle where you just tap on it, turn it on, turn it back off again, and then your account is going to be switched from private to public, as I repeat earlier as well. Now what you want to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Facebook application and then make sure that you're signed into the account, as you can see. Then you want to tap the three lines icon located at the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you want to scroll down, go to the option called settings and privacy. Then you simply want to go to the option called privacy shortcuts, as you can see. Once you go to privacy shortcuts, if you look over here, you have see more privacy settings, so you want to make sure to tap on it. Under privacy settings, right under the newsfeed, you can see all these sorts of details, and here you can see how people can find and contact you, right? So you want to make sure to tap on it. So you can see who can send you friend requests. If you want to make it private, you can select only friends of friends or also everyone, so you want to make sure to select the least privacy possible. Then you can see who can see your friends list. You can also set that to only me, or you can set that to public friends, or whatever else you prefer. Who can look you up using the email address, who can look you up using the phone number, and if you want to Facebook to show in search engines as well. Now you want to come back. If you want to customize the privacy setting for your posts, such as who can see your future posts, you can limit that to public or private. And who can also see your stories, you can set that to private. And if you're new on Facebook and if you don't know about the reels, then recently Facebook has also released their reels, which is going to be public by default. So you want to make it private, you can set that to friends. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can switch your account to private on Facebook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.